Unlock atomic secrets now. In this journey into the heart of matter, we unravel the mysteries of atomic structure with friendly clarity. Have you ever wondered how atoms, the very fabric of our universe, are composed? Today, we dive into the essential components: protons, neutrons, electrons, and the all-important valence electrons. Imagine looking at a tiny puzzle where every piece matters. The atomic number tells us the number of protons in the nucleus. And for a neutral atom, the number of electrons mirrors that count. The mass number, a sum of protons and neutrons, reveals even more, while valence electrons define how atoms bond with others. Consider carbon with its 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons, shining a light on its 4 valence electrons. Next, nitrogen steps in with 7 protons, neutrons, and electrons, offering 5 valence electrons to spark chemical reactions. Oxygen further clarifies the picture with 8 of each component and 6 electrons in its outer shell. Then fluorine appears with 9 protons, a slightly heavier count of 10 neutrons, 9 electrons, and 7 valence electrons fueling its reactivity. Finally, neon, an inert yet captivating element, holds 10 protons, neutrons, electrons along with 8 stable valence electrons. As we progress through these clear examples, the once confusing atomic puzzle becomes less daunting and more understandable. Let this guide inspire you to explore even deeper into the vast world of chemistry. Knowledge is the gateway to discovery. Ready to master atomic structure? Watch our step-by-step guide and enhance your chemistry knowledge today. Stay curious, let science guide you forward. Keep learning always.